unlock ko de wala ba sai ko unlock de guys. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Mariam. If you've been watching me, thank you very much for sticking with the family. If you're not subscribed yet, please click on that subscribe button, like and share my video. Click on the button now before we dive into the video. Today's video, as you've guessed from the title, is going to be an unboxing video. So I got this package from ZUY World on Instagram, and I want to unbox it with you. You already guessed, there are perfumes. I am so excited to unbox this package with you guys because it's been sitting for days, and I did not unbox it just because I want to unbox it with you guys together. So let's just tear it up, open it up, and see what we have. You guys know I'm not a patient one, honestly. So if it is not tearing okay. Guys, the package already smells amazing even before I finish opening it up. Why is this sounding weird? Opening it up. Sounds weird. So let's see. Oopsie. So we have a whole lot of Touch perfumes, like a lot of Touch perfumes. I've been seeing this perfume a lot on Instagram. I have no idea what type of perfumes they are. I'm always like, I will try and get this perfume or whatever, but I never got it. And ZUY_world on Instagram was so kind to send these perfumes for me. So I really hope I love these perfumes. But from the look of it, I'm going to love it because they already smell nice. I can perceive a lot of amazing scents. So in this video, I'm not going to be mentioning the notes or anything. I'm just going to open them up and tell you guys whether I like them or not, like my first impressions, before I make an individual video, inshallah, of each perfumes. So subscribe to my channel so you know what I think about all the perfumes. So the first one we have here is Touch Red Edition. I think I have to do some research about this Touch to see like which type of perfume it is, like which company it is. Now watching Arubta Gandor. Is it Gandor? Okay. Novel Perfume. Oh Lord have mercy. I hope my parents don't see this. I'm having difficulty reading. Even though I'm sure they will not be disappointed. Everybody knows I hate school. So Novel Perfumery. Whatever. Novel Perfume. I think it's from Novel Perfume. So this is the red. Let's open it up. Oh, I can put a chicken go in and out of the touch. Oh, oil perfume, yeah? This is a surprise. I really thought it's a spray, guys, but it's an oil perfume. Can you see? So tiny and so cute, guys. Oh wow. Okay. Wallahi, it smells so good. This smells so good. Touch. I really like this smell. Red. Definitely using this and definitely reviewing it in details for you guys because it smells so good. So next we have the yellow edition. Okay. Hope it smells good too. Hope it smells like the red. So the bottles look the same. Babu wani bambanci. Oil perfumes ne. The bottles look the same. This one is a little bit stronger than this one. This one is not something I would like. I don't know. It's so strong. It's stronger than the red. I prefer the red. Let's see. The next one is Oud Malaki, Majestic Oud. It better smells like malak. I like the color of the box. I think it's like portraying the name Majestic, like black and gold. It's so beautiful. Don't you agree with me? So let's open it up. All the, like, everything is the same. All the bottles are the same. So let's smell it. Oopsie. Yeah, this one smells woody and it smells. Oh. Guys, guess what happened? I was talking about the Majestic Oud when my light suddenly decided to fall on the floor because my tripod is broken. I kept the light on a fan. This is the Majestic Oud Malaki, and it smells so nice. Smells like oud. This is something I'm definitely going to use. I can't wait to review this for you guys. And then next we have the Touch Blue. Okay. They are all 5 ml, by the way. They are all 5 ml. I don't know, guys. For some reason I feel this Touch Blue is going to smell minty. And I don't even know why. It's not even green. I don't know why I feel it's going to smell minty. It smells like plants, like an infusion of plants. Yeah, if I'm right. Orange peel haka. Smells something like that. I don't know if it's something I would like immediately, but I might love it as I use it. And this is the Touch Pink. Touch Pink. Okay, pink. Oh, they come to that the lion color. So Anna. Okay, can you see? They all have that line. So this is the Touch Pink. I think this should smell feminine since it's pink. Guys, this smells so good. I just want to rub this one all over my body right now. It smells so good. Buy the Karfi. Oh, smells so good. I can't wait to review this. I love this. Smells so good. I really wish that's a okay, let me check if the numbers are different. Okay, the numbers are different because it doesn't show if I like arrange them on my dresser or somewhere. How will I know which is which? Because they don't have any sticker or any way to indicate the color on the bottles or whatever. You guys know what I'm trying to tell you. So I love this. Love. I'm in love. So this is the last touch. It's the Touch Green. Yeah. Same old, and the bottles in. Okay. This one smells like an expensive saloon. Like in kukaje expensive saloon, I can't get kuda very expensive shampoo. Like this is how it smells. And it smells like sweets too, candies. Smells good. gaskiya duka touch in now I'm impressed. They smell so good. Because honestly, I won't lie to you guys, really don't think the touch perfumes are going to smell as good as what I am smelling now. That's why it's not good to judge a book by its cover. So we have this. This is the I've been seeing these perfumes on the streets of Instagram. I almost bought this Orientica because I've been seeing it a lot. And yeah, ZUY World, thank you so much for sending me these perfumes. I'm already in love with most of the touch, so I'm so happy, so happy. So let's see this, how the package looks like. This is how the perfume is. The bottle is so cute, cute pink bottle. Oh, shimmer oil perfume ni. It's an oil perfume too. Smells so good, guys. Really smells so good. I can't wait to try it on. So this is the last one. Okay, this one is red amber. Amber ahmar. Amber ahmar. Amber ahmar. I'm trying to be so Arab for you guys since they wrote the name in Arabic. Amber ahmar. Ahmar. So this is the red amber. Why is the bottle pink then if it is red amber? What color can you guys see? Let me know in the comments. So this is the next one, and this is the sapphire. I feel this is going to smell rich. That's the vibe I'm getting from this. Yaqut me. I am so sorry, my Arabic teachers. I cannot read this. Guys, browse it and let me know what is written. Sapphire. This is it. Let's open it up. Ooh. Okay. Yaqut Azraq. That is what it's written. It's not my fault. I can read. It's not very clear here, but it's so clear here. Yaqut Azraq sapphire. So let's see. What does the sapphire smell like? Smells like an expensive soap. In a good way, guys. I can't wait to use this and review them for you guys. You guys should wait for my review video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you guys know when I post a video about this perfume. And I'm going to be giving out some of these perfumes, so make sure to comment, because I'm going to choose randomly and give out some of these perfumes. I should not use all the perfumes alone, right? And please guys, if you're on Instagram, go and follow ZUY_world and support her, and also thank her for sending me all these perfumes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe and watch this video.